Welcome back. In this video I shall teach you how to use for loops in Python. Okay, for defining the for loop we shall write for I in, we use the keyword in, and the second keyword is range. Okay, so it is different from C++ and other programming languages which use some conditions. We can apply the conditions. There are methods for applying the conditions in for loops, but generally we use range keyword. Okay, for I in range 10, and we after the for loop we write the colon. Okay, and then I press enter, so the cursor will move to the next line. Here I shall print I. Okay, so this 10 means that the I will range from 0 to 9. Okay, when I shall print I, so it will print the numbers from 0 to 9. Okay, let us run this. Okay, you can see here in the terminal below, so numbers from 0 to 9 are printed on the screen. Okay, so these are the numbers from 0, starting from 0 and going up to 9. Okay, one another thing in this range function is that you can also define the starting point. For example, we want the numbers from we want the loop from running from 3 to 10. Okay, so we will write in this way 3 comma 10. Okay, we shall write 3 comma 10. So now the range of I will be from 3 to 9. Okay, 3 to 9. So the last, so this is 3 is start and 10 is end point. Okay, so the the for loop will move from 3 to 9. Okay, there is an error. Oh, sorry. Okay, run again. Okay, you can see now the numbers from 3 to 9 are printed on the screen. So the stop is here 10, so the numbers will be printed one less than the stopping point. Okay, it will start from the starting point and go up to one less than the stopping point. Okay, similarly we can also define the step. For example, we want to print the even numbers. Okay, we want to print the even numbers, so we start point is 0, step is 2, and it will go up to 10. Okay, so we know that the even numbers are from are multiples of 2, so this 10 will not be printed. Okay, so this will be the last even number, so the loop will go to 1 less than the last even number, so this loop will go from 0 to 8. Okay, so we run the program, so you can see. Okay, so there is some error, so this is printing 0. Okay, so there is some bug. So this is starting point, 0 is starting point, 10 is ending point, and the step is given at the end. Okay, the step is 2, so it is given at the end. So now we run the program, it will go from 0 to 8. Okay, you can see there in the terminal below that the numbers printed are 0 to 10. Okay, if we want the numbers to be printed up to 10, so we will set the last number to 11. Okay, so now the number will be printed from 0 to 10. Okay, you can see below that the numbers are printed from 0 to 10. It will ignore the last number. Okay, it will ignore the last number, and because the range the for loops moves one less than the ending point. Okay, and if we are printing even numbers, so it depends uh, whether the last even numbers, where the last even number comes. Okay, so start, 0 is start, 11 is stopping point, and 2 is the step. Okay, now if what if we want to print the odd number, so we will start from 0, and but 0 is not the odd number, it will not print the 0, and we go up to 12, so it will not even print the 12. Okay, it will go up to 11. Okay, and the step is 2, so there will be some problem. It will we should start from 1. Okay, the start when we start from 1, so it will give a step of 3 and print 3. Okay, so there are other methods of printing the odd numbers and even numbers, but this is the simple method we are discussing. Okay, we run this. Okay, you can see the odd numbers are printed here: 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. It went up to 11 and it did not print the 12, which is the ending point. Okay, so that is all for the loop function in while using the range command. Okay, uh, there is one different concept in Python, which is called list. The lists are like arrays in C++. In Python we call this list. Okay, let's define a list. So we define a is equal to curly brackets. Okay, in list we define the numbers 2, 5, 6, 1, 0 randomly. Okay, 9, 3, 2, 5, 7, 1, 4, 2. Okay, these are random numbers in the list. So here we are defining the list. Okay, there is another method for using for loop. Okay, for I in a. Okay, the list a, we will move the loop function for I in a. Okay, I is the loop variable, and a is the list. Okay, so this for loop will move inside the list from starting from the start of the list and moving till the end of the list. From it will start from 2 and move to 5, 6 and go up to 2. Okay, and so we shall print now. If we print I, so it will print the numbers in the array a or the list a. So we run. Okay, okay, let's move this first function. Okay, we run the loop again. Okay, there seems to be some problem. It is not printing. So we have to clear the variable, so let us close this program and start again. Okay, we will close this program. So the variable I was saved in the memory, so we start again the program, and now if we run this program, it will all the variables, all the previous variables will be cleared. Okay, we run. Okay, no, again it is printing from 0 to 9. I cannot see the problem. maybe we are doing some mistake. Let us define the array in this way. Okay. So instead of curly brackets, we had to use these square brackets. Okay. So the now the you can see that the numbers are printed as they are defined in the list. So 2 5, you can see in the terminal below 25610. So the numbers are printed in the list in this way. Okay, we shall continue the for loop in the next video. So see you in the next video. Okay.